In this video, I will be showing multiples, factors, and prime factors. Starting with a brief view at multiples and factors. So a multiple is its times tables. So multiples of 12 would be 24, 36, 48, and so on. Factors are the numbers that divide into it. So factors of 12 would be 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. Next, you need to know what a prime number is. This is pretty simple. This is a number that has only 1 and itself as factors. So numbers like 2, 3, 7, 11 and 13 would all be prime. Now to put all of this info together to get prime factors. Every single integer can be written as a string of its prime factors multiplied together. If you don't know what an integer is, check out this video in the info tab. For example, the number 240 can be split into 10 and 24. 10 will be split into prime numbers 5 and 2. Then 24 will split into 6 and 4. 6 turns into prime numbers 2 and 3. And 4 turns into 2 and 2. Then you would write it into a string like 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 and then times 5. Then you simplify the string to 2 to the power of 4 times 3 times 5. Now some really quick questions. So first, write down the first 3 multiples and factor pairs of 20. Let's do the easy part first, multiples. So we will do 20 times 2, 20 times 3, and 20 times 4. This will give us the first 3 multiples, 40, 60, and 80. Now the factor pairs of 20. The first one is obvious, 1 and 20. Since it is even, we know that has a factor of 2. So that is 2 and 10. Then the last one we can see is 5 and 4. Then that is all you need to do. Now for the second question. What are the prime factors of 340? This would be a nice number to use since we can divide by 10. Then that 10 can turn into a product of 5 and 2. So now we have 2 times 5 times 34. But 34 is not prime, so we can divide by 2. 17 and 2 are both prime, so therefore we have found all the prime factors. So we write 2 times 2 times 5 times 17. Then we can write it as 2 squared times 5 times 17. A way we can check is by doing the operation, which will come out to 340. I hope you learned something from this video, and please consider subscribing and liking to promote my channel.